Bhatia, thank you for joining Motor India's coverage here at ACMA Automechanika 2026. The show is the largest and the grandest show. What would you want to say to the organizers and the committee that has formed this wonderful show here?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Rajesh, for the opportunity extended to us. Today we are at Automechanika New Delhi, which is a prominent trade show for the global opportunities where opportunity meets the innovation. Automechanika New Delhi truly serves as a gateway for the Indian manufacturing companies and Indian suppliers to the extend their valuable products and opportunities to the global companies and industry peers. First of all, we would thank the organizing committee for their hard work, their dedication and their efforts that they have given to create such a wonderful platform and opportunity to India to explore global business opportunity.
Please take us through the product offerings, the various product segments and the baskets of offerings that you have, and where do you manufacture it, plus what are the quality and the testing standards that you maintain.
Today over here at this show, Accurub is participating as an NVH suspension parts for truck and trailer applications, covering the European application, American application, Middle East and South African range.
And in terms of manufacturing, testing and quality, how are you meeting the competitive standards that both the domestic as well as the exports market require?
So Accurub is a 100% manufacturing company, indigenous manufacturing company located in Pune, which is the western zone, the western region of India, backed with 6 manufacturing plants, in-house steel tube manufacturing, in-house component and machine parts manufacturing, rubber compounds and final product as an NVH suspension parts. The company is into core manufacturing practices right from raw material to finished stage. Quality is everything that we do. Right from raw material testing to final product testing, the company is having state-of-art 4 testing and validation labs to ensure the product meets the global standards and diversified global requirements. The company is well certified with the quality certifications of IATF 19649, ISO. For the information security and for the integrity, the customer integrity, we are well managed by the ISO 27001 for environment, 14000 and 45001. Along with this, the company is well accredited with the EUDR norms and approved by the Ecovative Sustainability Rating Portal and stands as a bronze medal from India, well approved with the VDS 6.3 principles. So regarding the systems, regarding process, regarding the quality of the product, the company is well capable and well certified with all the certification bodies and norms.
In terms of pricing, quality, value addition and benefit that you offer to your customers, what do you have to say? What is the promise that Accurub gives?
Accurub is a distinguished player from the Indian continent when it comes to value addition and value engineering to the customers. Backed with the integrated manufacturing, Accurub stands apart when it comes to costing, quality, shorter development time, product testing and on-time delivery. Our promise is very simple: right product, right quality, right time, right costing, by the people and through the people.
And in terms of the aftermarket, how big is the potential and what is your expectations from the show and the aftermarket market?
The aftermarket is really growing good with the new norms coming up, like the European Free Trade Agreement. Accurub is a distinguished player. It stands apart from the Indian continent, where we can give customer a good quality product, good cost, without compromising any quality because of the European FTA agreement. Also, because of the recent deal between India and America regarding the tariff, again it adds to further benefits for Accurub to export its products for European and American market.
Wonderful, Bhatia. Thank you so much for your interaction and insightful time here.
We are thankful for the opportunity extended and we are sure to deliver the best to all the customers.
Thank you. Wonderful.